Ashley Gravano from Paradigm Title Insurance.
Hey
Ashley,
guys, how are you?
welcome.
What's
Thanks
going
for
on?
coming. Appreciate
Thanks
it.
for having me.
We usually don't meet face to face. Most of our communication is done with text messaging and email, Venmo occasionally if we split dinner.
Little Facebook stalking.
Yeah.
Little Facebook
Instagram
stalking
likes, this and
Yeah.
that. Scrolls back like 6 weeks into my pictures,
Right.
likes pictures from when
I
I was
do.
like 29.
Don't tell anybody that.
But
Come on.
that's kind of how our business works. You know, we're in the relationship business. We're service providers, and I do mortgages. She does title insurance. And
For those of you who know what that is, title insurance is super exciting.
yeah, mortgages are pretty
Love it.
boring too. But we're here to make mortgages fun. So
Right.
if we can make mortgages fun, then everyone will have a better time buying a home. So Ashley, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Ashley Gravano from Paradigm Title. Been in the business since '98.
Since you was 2.
Since I was 2, that works. So title insurance isn't something you go out of college and want to be a title insurance rep. I kind of fell into it. So I work with a lot of folks in your industry and realtors, financial advisors. Title insurance is something that you need on every purchase refinance to protect a borrower from losing their home.
What states are you licensed in?
New Jersey, PA, Illinois, Florida, soon to be Maryland.
Okay, soon to be
New
Maryland.
York is
Got
my
that.
favorite.
Right.
That's my big state. So this is kind of my stomping ground. I spend a lot of time here.
So would you consider yourself an entrepreneur, a salesperson, a service provider? How would you categorize yourself?
I'm kind of all of the above, I would say. You know, I work with a lot of partners. I help a lot of my clients kind of build their own business in addition to building my business while I'm doing it. My goal is to help my partners make more money so that I can make more money with them. So I would say all of the above.
So I think that as far as having a title insurance relationship, you know, Ashley's my go-to, right? So I'm able to contact her. She's able to go into her company and get shit done, make things happen,
absolutely.
right? Because I see emails come across my desk with names I don't know from inside her company, you know, asking questions that I don't have the time to answer, and I don't really have the answer. So when I get Ashley involved, I know that she's going to be the one to jump on board and get things done, and it alleviates me having to stop what I'm doing and create, you know, a solution for someone else's problem. So dealing with Ashley has really been a pleasure, and that's why, you know, we partner up together.
Yeah, I think it's awesome. You need to have a strong team.
Definitely. So we have a team behind us: attorneys, insurance people, title insurance people, home insurance people, financial advisors, life insurance,
home
appraisals.
inspectors.
Who else? What else
Home
we got?
inspectors are
Home inspectors are good. Make sure your home's not going to fall apart.
right.
Yeah,
I think you covered them all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you see as far as the market right now? Is business slow? Is business busy? What are you seeing?
It's a purchase market right now. Inventory's super low, especially New York, New Jersey. Inventory's super low. So all of the brokers that I work with are, you know, begging for people to sell their home, which, you know, 6 months ago I would say was more of a refinance. You know, refinances were kind of up. Right now refinances are way down. So it's definitely a purchase market. Offers are going well above and beyond the asking price. New York especially.
Sure.
So it's definitely, it's hot right now.
What made you, from an entrepreneur standpoint, what made you bet on yourself? What made you get into a 100% commission business, specifically, you know, the real estate roller coaster business where, you know, the market does sometimes impact, you know, your financial status and freedom? What made you believe in yourself?
Well, it's kind of, you know, the freedom is one of the main things, right? I mean, I like the work-life balance, but
yeah, but you're always working. There's no
I know, there is no
balance.
work-life balance. I'm like in Philly until 10
Right.
tonight. So,
Right.
you know what? It's a relationship business. So I love being in the business where, you know, my full-time job is growing relationships like ours and helping other people. So it's more or less just not so much betting on myself, but betting on the people that I work with.
Yeah, I think that's an awesome point. Definitely, like, who you do business with makes
makes
it
a
more
huge
enjoyable, makes it
difference.
fun, you know, makes it
absolutely.
exciting.
You have to harass somebody 10 times for a meeting.
Definitely.
I mean, that's
Not me.
the best part.
20 times.
20 times for a meeting. So, you know, I just love the fact that, you know, I wake up every day and I'm meeting different people every day and working with different people, from your high-end luxury to your investor who's just starting out and buying a $20,000 reno.
Sure.
So, you know, I kind of cover all of it.
At what point should a consumer contact you, or does a consumer ever contact you directly, or what's the best way to get you exposed to, you know, services
Yeah, it really
for clients?
depends. I mean, most consumers don't contact me directly unless they're in the business, right? If you're buying a home, you're going to come to me directly. But your broker and or the loan officer will reach out to me as soon as contracts are signed. As soon as contracts are signed, you want to get
So
title.
when contracts are signed, guys, that's when you want to get your
That's
title
my
insurance
cue.
underway.
You know, some of my investors will reach out to me before contracts are signed just to do like a preliminary title search to see if anything crazy
And what
is
is
going
that?
on.
What's a preliminary title search?
It's just a quick, hey, any red flags on title, liens on the property, mechanics liens and things like that. You know, title insurance is the opposite of car insurance. We protect you before something happens. Car insurance protects you after something happens.
It's a good tagline, too.
Yeah.
She must have done this before.
Yes, I've done it a lot of times. So, you know, we're here to protect you before it happens.
Awesome.
So, point of contract for most folks for refinance as soon as you know, submit an application. But from a purchase standpoint, as soon as you sign contracts, you would reach out to me.
And what do you think is the most rewarding part of your business?
Watching people get their dream home. You know what I mean? I've purchased a few properties myself, so helping someone get to that finish line.
Yep.
You know, like today we're closing a deal together.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
we're closing. We're closing a deal together
Yep.
today.
Shout out to the Evans family.
Hey, Evans family.
First time home buyers.
That's it. So, you know, the best part is, you know, at the end of the day, getting that, hey, your loan closed, everything's fantastic, and then, you know, going on further with my clients.
So, what are your goals? Where do you see yourself in 2 to 5 years from now?
2 to 5 years, let's see. Well, my goals in the year have changed, so I'm like a 1 year goal person.
All right, 1 year. Not bad.
You know,
Sounds pretty short term, but
no, 1 year person. My company right now is in 5 states. My goal is to be semi-national by the end of the year.
That'd be
So
cool. Awesome.
I'm kind of running the expansion plan for Paradigm. We're opening in Maryland and DC and some other states over the next few months.
Awesome.
So my goal is to have a team of 20 sales guys, kind of spread out along the East Coast.
So if you're interested in getting in the title business, you gotta reach out
Yes,
to
call
this
me.
lady.
Call me.
Yeah,
I need to grow
definitely.
my sales
Yeah.
team. So
Awesome.
I run all of sales and marketing for the firm. So in addition to producing.
Awesome.
So it's
Very
great.
cool.
Yeah,
Great.
super excited.
Awesome. Well, thanks for coming today.
Yeah,
we
no,
appreciate
thanks for
it,
having me.
and we'll do more deals in the
Yeah,
future.
absolutely. Besides the Evans, we're rocking.